Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the College Football Ultimate Team. Our server cannot process your request at this time. Error. The error message reads, "Our server cannot process your request at this time. Please try again later." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to access certain game modes, challenges or packs in College Football 25 Ultimate Team. Some players have reported being kicked out of the lobby while attempting Bowl Blitz challenges, while others have encountered the issue when trying to buy packs in the shop. Based on our research, this error is likely caused by server issues, having too many players in the lineup, or a game-related bug. Now let's come to fixes for the error. Before trying anything, make sure your game is fully updated. If there is a pending update, install it and check if the issue is resolved. If the game is up to date, then try quitting the game completely from the home screen and restarting it. Some players have found that simply restarting the game resolves the issue. Additionally, pressing right trigger to sign in has worked for some users too, so you can also give this a try. If the error continues, you may have too many players in your lineup. The game has a player limit, and exceeding it can cause this error. So try removing some players, especially specialists, kick returners, or extra backups, and then check if the error persists. If reducing the lineup doesn't help, then create a new lineup. Then generate the best lineup. Then run one play in practice mode and then exit out. After this, check if the issue is resolved. If the error still occurs, visit the EA and your gaming console server status pages to confirm if there is an ongoing outage or maintenance. If none of the previous solutions work, we suggest you contact EA support and report the issue for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.